In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Pandadoc Hubspot integration. This process is straightforward, and within the next few minutes, you'll have everything up and running seamlessly. First, let's begin by heading over to the Pandadoc website. If you're not familiar with Pandadoc, it's a fantastic platform that enables you to create, approve, track, and e-sign documents up to 40% faster. It's a vital tool for boosting efficiency in any business setting. Once you've reached the Pandadoc website, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to sign in to your Pandadoc account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account, but today we're focusing solely on those who already have access. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Pandadoc home section. This is essentially your main dashboard where you can manage your documents and workflows. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you're new. From here, our next move is to locate the Settings option. You'll find Settings also at the top right. It's important to explore these settings as they offer multiple customization options for your account. Once inside the settings, we want to direct our attention to the current workspace. Clicking here will take you to the section where you manage the workspace environments aligned to your account, offering you a chance to ensure everything is organized according to your preferences or business needs. Next, you'll want to find the API and Integrations tab. This section is key to setting up integrations like the one with HubSpot. It not only allows for smooth integration setups, but is also where you can manage other API-related tasks, ensuring maximum functionality of your documents. Now we arrive at the crux of this tutorial, the Pandadoc and HubSpot integration. Simply choose HubSpot from the list of available integrations. By doing so, you're about to connect these two powerful platforms, enabling enhanced management of your sales proposals, quotes, and contracts directly within HubSpot. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Pandadoc HubSpot integration. Remember, with this integration, you can streamline your document workflow like never before, automating tasks and ensuring consistent and timely follow-up for your business activities. If you encounter any issues during this process, be sure to check out the help sections on both Pandadoc and HubSpot for additional support. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this integration beneficial for boosting your productivity. Stay tuned for more tutorials designed to make your business processes simpler and more efficient.